sold. I'm moving, Jose. We're moving here. We literally just drove almost an hour with my niece in the background, not feeling well. They're amazing.
That one's Jasper. That one's Brown Beauty. That one's Brownie, and then over there, that's Butterscotch.
Oh. Good morning from Newark Airport. I am so tired. I'm on like, I don't know, 2-3 hours sleep. So I'm flying to Minneapolis today. Minneapolis, it's about, I think we're gonna have like a 2-hour drive. Always a little awkward filming here in the airport. So anyway, I have about a half hour before my flight, which is so crazy to me. I'm always like running in at the last minute, so I don't really know what to do with myself. The bars aren't even open yet. But anyway, let's go. Alright, it's 8 a.m. Just landed in Minneapolis.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run.
Oh no. So we stopped. What is this place called?
Family Fair.
Family Fair. We're getting donuts. We're in Chippewa. Jason's gonna come out and be like, what's happening?
What is happening? Get Madeline.
Alright, we are in downtown Chippewa. I don't know if this is called downtown, but we're on our way. Heather asked her husband to come bring us Tums, so we're living our best college life here. we're
something.
Yeah. I know, we're like obviously too old. We had margaritas for lunch, and I think there was too much sugar in it. It's like, I don't know. Anyway, it's a lovely place though. But anyway, we're on our way. Where are we going?
Tomahawk Room.
Tomahawk Room. We're going there. We're gonna see how it is.
We'll report back later.
Yeah, we'll report back. Alright, so this is our review of the Tomahawk.
I told them that you're freaking over.
Okay. Tell me why this was $8. What? $8? That's it? Okay. I'm sold. I'm moving, Jose. We're moving here. We're moving to Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. Okay.
Amazing.
Yes. So now we are gonna check out the snoot. The Snout Saloon, and we are in Chippewa Falls. Let's see.
It's not just a bar, it's an attitude.
I think you need to make a TikTok about this. Welcome to vlog day 2 of my trip to the Midwest. I never closed out last night's vlog, so I don't know if that's going to become its own video or we're going to just make one big video. But today's video though, I am in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin for a family weekend of fun. I'm originally from Wisconsin, so I'm spending the weekend here with my family, and today we are going to the cheese store, and then later on we're going to go to the Apple Orchard and we're going to have like a little bit of a family reunion. So come and join me. We are here at the Katie Cheese Store. This is right where, this is about like 10 minutes from where I used to go to college in Wisconsin. This came recommended by one of my best friends, Heather, from college, and she recommended that we have to go here. So let's check it out. Alright, I got my cheese products. So I end up getting a bacon and onion cheese. Of course I had to get a bag of cheese curds. Do we feel better now?
I think she saw taffy in there.
Taffy? So now you feel better?
Yeah.
Alright, now that I came out.
Do you want to put your bag in?
I'll just walk around with it, it's okay.
Okay.
Poor Cecily was getting car sick on the way here, so it's my niece. So we were not sure if she was gonna be able to make it through the cheese store, so I just did a quick run in there, and now it looks like she's on the mend. She's ready to go eat some cheese. Or you want taffy?
Taffy.
No cheese?
I don't really like cheese.
You don't what?
I don't like cheese that
Those
much.
are fighting words. How can you live in Wisconsin and not like cheese? You don't know what you're missing, Cess. Alright, we got our cheese purchases. These are what's called cheese curds. If you've never been to Wisconsin, you probably don't know what these are, but these are like the best things on earth. We literally just drove almost an hour with my niece in the background not feeling well. They're amazing. They're basically like, Mom, what are they like? Like the top of the cheese vat when they're making cheese?
Right.
Like all they look weird, but when I tell you these are the best things you've ever had, if you're a cheese eater, you'll love these.
Nice and squeaky.
So UW Stout, that's where I went to college about 20 years ago, right here on the western part of Wisconsin. It's, I don't know if they call it like a polytechnical university. It's not a tech school. It is a four-year university. I got a bachelor's degree from there, but it's more like specialized where you're gonna get majors that you don't ever like see every day. But anyway, yeah, this is where I spent 4 years of my life here. It's about 4 hours away from Appleton and Green Bay, and it's about like an hour and a half away from Minneapolis.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Cedar Avenue East.
So everyone can see the small town that this is where I went to college.
I think Fleet is
Population 16,000.
I'm lucky.
You're lucky. Annika, what are these? Elephants? Donkeys?
Hey, Lauren. We named them. That one's Jasper. That one's Brown Beauty. That one's Brownie. And then over there, that's Butterscotch.
Oh, you named them?
Yeah. Brown Beauty, Jasper, Brownie, and then Butterscotch.
Oh.
I named it Brownie and Jasper. Jasper is my favorite, and he likes me too.
Oh, yeah? Are you sure he just doesn't like you because you're standing next to the grass?
One sec.
Aw, so cute. So we
Do a
came.
video of me.
Do a video of you? So we came. This is called Dixon's. Oh, he might get scared. Shh! Don't yell too loud. You might have scared him.
He's safe.
He's
We
named.
named them all.
I love them so
Jasper, Brown Beauty, and don't forget Brownie. And then over there's Butterscotch.
Oh, absolutely. They couldn't be named anything else.
I like Jasper.
He's the cutest.
So pretty over here. So this is Dixon's Orchard. This is outside of Chippewa. This is in maybe Cadott. I don't remember actually if we're in Cadott. Very nice venue over here. They have so you could have like a wedding venue. They have horseshoes for Taylor and Matt. This is my sister and my brother-in-law. They're playing horseshoes.
Go. Hadia, hadia, hadia.
Yeah, this would be like an awesome like wedding venue here. Groom shack. Seems like that's probably where they have the wedding party. Maybe get ready ahead of time. Look at how cute. Little campfire area. That's gonna be real cute at night. And then I mean, everything is just so adorable.
Hang on, everyone. Hang on.
Hang on.
Hang on.
All right, we're doing a ride.
We don't rescue anyone.
Hanging on to hope and holding on to a dream, wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at a bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your stories told 1,000 times. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Walking down the street, the rain is pouring down. But my feet are walking to a different sound.
Not scared anymore.
I'll leave a bitter taste of love come back, I'm finally free. The mirror I can see a different me. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time,
at this candy store. We haven't seen anything like this in ages.
This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Love is gone, and there's no road leading us back home. This ain't the first time, but it's the last time. At the bottom of the barrel, there's no love to be found. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking off my mind. It's a good day.
Okay, Sabine, once you get there, look up, everybody, smile pretty. This way.
I thought she was giving the middle finger.
Yeah, it looked like she was like, screw you guys.
And then
Can I have my phone?
no, I'm going to get
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.